Welcome back, and today we're going to look at where the Dulcitones are currently at. So I've took these completely apart and I've started to clean them up, and then I've started rebuilding them. So we've got little leather straps that hold the tines in position, and I've replaced those with new ones because the old ones had worn and weren't holding the tines as tightly as they should have been. So this has took quite a bit of time, and I think I'm getting there with those. I do have a few tines missing, but we're going to try and have a go at recreating those. Though, if you do have a source for where we could get some, that would be much appreciated. These were really dirty, so we have cleaned them up an absolute ton. And it does look quite different now tidied up, which is really good. So, yeah, there is progress going on with these. It is slow, and it's just a combination of trying to solve little problems, order some parts. So yeah, here's a bag of all these different leather holders I've got. We've got a tine. And then inside the tine we've got the spring. So I bought some spring material and I'm going to have a go at making some of those. It's a little bit awkward because we've got to remove the rivet that holds the spring in place. But once we remove that, we can tap a new hole and use these M2.5s to hold it in position. And hopefully that doesn't alter the tuning too much, and allows us to replace some of these springs that have fatigued over the years just from use. But yeah, the project's still ongoing. I really do want to kind of get one of these complete, and it'd be good to kind of sample it all and get it on Piano Book and share it with you all. So yeah, stick around. You want to see some more progress of that, but that's it for this time. Till then.